Not a fun storm. Okay, can you go down right now and turn the furnaces on and stay up? The second day of the storm, and we have no heat because the vent is clogged with snow, and we have no hot water, and my generator is covered up with snow again. So my son is coming out with me and we're gonna dig it out. So I'm gonna leave the Polaris here running and just so we can stay warm. Hold on, let me go by. Oh boy, Peter, this is not going to be easy. Trying to remember. Oh, here they are. Okay. Oh man. Okay. Okay, that's good. Dig it a little further towards me. Can you scrape the snow off the end of it with your hand?
Yeah, I'm trying to get to our utility electric.
No, you don't have to get to the electric. To get air into it. So if you can scrape the snow off the vents with your hand, please. Right. And get those vents. And then do the other side with your hand. These vents have to be open for fresh air and combustion or carbon monoxide. They were blocked. I'm going to have my wife turn the furnaces on. Okay, can you go down right now and turn the furnaces on and stay on the phone? Furnaces. Furnaces, not hot water furnaces. Okay. Okay, they both appear to be running. Okay, so good. All right, now I gotta dig out the hot water. Okay, I'll call you back. So the furnaces are running. Okay, turn the hot water breaker on. Let me know when it's on.
It's on.
Okay, turn hot water on.
Turn the hot water on. Okay.
Yes.
Should we go upstairs? Or take down here? I don't know.
You can go upstairs. And leave it running. Leave it on. Is it running? Okay. Let me know if it gets hot. Okay, good. Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay, bye.
Okay, so we have, this is the exhaust for the tankless hot water system here. That's the fresh air intake. I'm going to detail this up a little bit and then get out of here. So this is the path my son shoveled. Generator's running. Meter magnet through here. Hot water vents, heater. Not a fun storm. Hope you get through it safely. Marauders, thanks for watching. Consider liking, sharing, subscribing. Stay safe.